Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in this lecture I will tell you about insertion in linked list. Previous example, in previous lectures we have discussed the deletion operation and the creation and traversing of the linked list. Now in this lecture we will study about the insertion into a linked list. Okay, so here our algorithm is insertion into a list. Okay, insertion in a linked list. How we will insert a new node in the linked list. Okay, suppose we take a list in the memory as we do in the previous as we have done in the previous lecture. Suppose this is a list and it has a start pointer head, right? So this is pointing to some node. Okay, now suppose in the last field is none. Okay, this is the list. Okay, suppose the address of this node is 100, 300 and 500. Okay, now here head is pointing to the first node, so we will take start from the first node. Now insertion mean we will add a new node in the list. Now insertion is of three types. In head, at head insertion, at tail insertion, at in somewhere in the mid of the list. Okay, we can insert a node in at the start, at the end, or somewhere in the mid. Okay, now adding a node in the start, in the head. First we will create a new node, right? Our step 1 will be algorithm. Step 1 will be create a new node. Okay, create a new node in the memory. Okay, now the node is suppose created in the memory with some information in it, and here is a new pointer pointing to this node, right? So we will say that a node has been created and that has somewhere in the memory. Clear? With the address this. Now we want to make it a head node. We want to make it a head node. So what we will do, we will make a connection of this node with this, and of this node with this one, right? So it is simply so we will say that create function will give you a new node, right? It will give you a new node, right? It is just a as a supposition that created some function and it has been created as some node. Okay, now how to make a connection between this and this. Now initially our step 2, we will have a pointer ptr that is already set to head, right? So we will have a pointer here ptr, right? In the ptr means ptr is pointing to this first node. Now we know that every node has two fields, info and its link. Info contain information and link contain address of the next node, right? So here ptr is pointing to this node. So the next step we will have at the head insertion. If suppose we want to do insertion at the head, what we will do, we will make a connection between this and this, right? So we have to make a connection with this and this as well, right? So here we will take that new of a link of new. Link of new is equal to what? ptr, right? Link of new means this is the link field. Now here we are putting the address PTR pointing to currently 100, right? This. Now this is what we make a connection like this. We have make a connection of this node with this, right? Now okay, the next step in this algorithm should be that step 4, we have to make this as a head node. So what we will do, okay, we will say head equal to new, because new is pointing to the new node. So when we will say that head is equal to new, means we are putting address 700 in this. So we are making this connection as well. Now look at this, it is clear from the diagram that this connection has been broken, right? The new node is first it is attached to the previously which was the head node. Now our new head is, new starting point is this, right? And this new node is then assigned to the head pointer, so it becomes a head. So this is how we can add element in the at the beginning of the list, insertion at the head, right? Okay, now taking the same example, and we are going to add a node at the end. Suppose we want to add a node at the end. So similarly again we will make a new node. Our step 1 of the algo will be create a new node, right? So we will create a new node by using a create function. So in a memory somewhere node has been created, right, with some information in it, and its link is null and info is C, and a pointer new is pointing to this node, right? Okay, now we want to make it a head, make it a tail. So first we have to reach to the tail of the existing list. So how we will reach to the tail? We will reach the tail while PTR is while link of PTR is not null, यानी जब तक आपके पास PTR जहाँ पॉइंट कर रहा है उसका लिंक फील्ड नल ना हो तब तक आप पॉइंटर को आगे बढ़ाते जाओ. पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू link of PTR. Okay, we will take start from here. PTR initially PTR will be equal to head, right? If PTR is initially head, it means PTR is pointing to the first node. Now look at this, that link is 300, it is not null, so PTR has been advanced. Okay, this condition is true. We say end of while. Okay, now what will happen, this loop will repeatedly execute it unless we get link of PTR null, right? So PTR is equal to here it is 300, it is not null, so it is advanced. PTR is now here. When we say PTR is equal to link of PTR, the PTR will take the value of 300. So PTR is now here. Now again PTR is checked. Link of PTR is checked, which is 500. 500 is not null. So again PTR is equal to link of PTR. Now in this case 500 is assigned to PTR. So PTR will now point to this location, right? Now again loop is checking this. Okay, link of PTR is null. Yes, in this case link of PTR is equal to null. So it means our pointer has been reached to the last node. Now we have to make a connection between the newly created node, new node, and the last node, right? So after, when this loop is terminated, we are assured that we will the pointer PTR will point to the last node in the list. Now we will make a connection between the newly created node. Simply what we will do, we will say that link of PTR is equal to what? New. So link of PTR is this. Link of PTR is this one, right? In this position, in this current stage. And when we say new equal to link of PTR, so we are assigning 700 to this. Now look at it, the node has been inserted in the tail position, right? So in this algorithm you will have to take start from the first node and you will reach to the last node. How you will reach? You will check in each iteration that whether link field is null or not. Currently pointer is pointing to a node, and if the link field is null of that pointer of that node, it means we are at the end. So this is how we insert a node at the tail position, right? I hope you will have understand it. Okay, now insertion in some specified location. Insertion in specified location. Okay, suppose take a list in the memory. We take certain list with some nodes in it. Look at it like this. These nodes contain some information in it. Suppose A, B, D and E, and they are being connected with each other. And this is a head pointer which is pointing to the first one. Okay, these nodes have some addresses in the memory, we say, right? And initially a pointer PTR is pointing to the first node. Step 1, PTR is equal to head. It means that PTR is pointing here to this. Initially we have created a new node in the memory, new node. Now step 2 of this algorithm is to create a new node. So we will use a create function to create a new node. After using the this execution of this function, we will have a new node in the memory. Pointer will point to it and it will contain some information and its link field is null. Okay, now we are asked to insert this node in the mid of B and D. Okay, so the required position is for the insertion of this node is in between B and D. So we have to move our pointer to the node D and node B, right? Okay, so how we have to move our pointer? We take another pointer as well, pointer Q. Q is equal to PTR. Okay, so we have taken Q equal to PTR, so another pointer Q is also pointing to in this location. Okay, now we have set Q equal to PTR, so two pointers pointing Q and PTR pointing to this node. Okay, now our step 4 is to move our pointer to the next node until we reach to our specific locations. Okay, so how we will move our pointer to the next node? By we will have some initial criteria of comparison. of this information with the first node information, and if it is greater than or less than. If it is greater than, then we will move a pointer to the incoming node, next node. Again, we will compare this information with this one. If it is information is greater than, we again forward this pointer to the next node. So in this way we will reach to our specific location. Okay, so here we say if, now this is the condition, info of new, right? Info of new is greater than info of ptr. अगर यानी info of new जो है वो greater है info of ptr से, तो ptr को क्या करो, ptr को सेव करो एक अदर पॉइंटर में, q is equal to ptr, it will save the pointer ptr to another pointer, and b move forward this ptr, इस ptr को आगे बढ़ा लो। तो आगे कैसे बढ़ाएंगे कि ptr को हम असाइन कर देंगे लिंक ऑफ ptr, क्योंकि अगले नोड का एड्रेस जो है दैट इज स्टोर्ड इन द लिंक ऑफ ptr. ओके, सो हियर लुक एट इट, हियर इज 200. सो नाउ कंपेयरिंग दिस info of new, info of new क्या है, c है, c is greater than a. Yes, it is greater than a, means it occurs at the third position in a to z letters, and it occurs at the first position. So with respect to position, c is greater than a, right? So if c is greater than, yes, c is greater than in a, so we have to what, we have to make this pointer forward. Okay, now how we make a pointer forward? By saving this ptr is equal to q equal to ptr, and then ptr equal to link of ptr. Now currently ptr is pointing to 100, right? And link contains 200. When link is assigned, link of ptr is assigned to ptr, ptr becomes 200. Now it will jump from here, it will jump from here to this node. Okay, ptr this node. Okay, and q is and previously whatever the ptr was. Okay, okay, now again what we will check, we will check again this step. Again compare info of new, now it is c, and info of ptr is now b. Now c is greater than b, yes, it is greater than b. Now what does it do? The ptr is what, q equal to ptr, save the ptr. So if we say q equal to ptr मीन कि ptr का जो एड्रेस है वो q में डाल लो, ठीक है? तो हमने q को भी आगे मूव कर लिया है यहाँ पे. एंड अगेन ptr इज इक्वल टू लिंक ऑफ ptr. नाउ करंटली ptr यहाँ है, तो इसके लिंक में चूंकि नेक्स्ट नोड है वो है 500, ठीक? तो 500 है, तो आपके पास ptr जो है वो क्या करेगा, इट विल जम्प फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस नोड. ओके, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Now compare again info of new, which is c. c is greater than info of ptr. Now in this case it is d. d is greater than c in a position wise. Okay, so c is greater than d. No, it isn't. d is greater than. So this condition has become false, right? So we will exit from the if. Now we know that if checks once the condition, so this block must be enclosed in the repeat or while loop. We have to what, we have to keep this statement in the while loop or a repeat loop, so that every time when we move forward and every time ptr is pointing to a new node, its information must compare with a new node information. Okay, so when we will exit from this loop, जब हम इस loop से exit होंगे, तो it is sure that we have been reached to the position where we want to add the node. ठीक है, हम उस पोजीशन पे आ जाएंगे जहाँ पे हम नोड को ऐड करना चाहते हैं। ठीक, नाउ लुक एट इट, हम इन दोनों के बीच में इस नोड को ऐड करना चाहते हैं। तो कैसे ऐड करेंगे कि स्टेप आपका नेक्स्ट जो होगा 4 स्टेप, कि इस लिंक के न्यू में लिंक ऑफ न्यू इक्वल टू PTR। तो PTR इज पॉइंटिंग टू 500। जब हम कहेंगे लिंक ऑफ न्यू, तो लिंक ऑफ न्यू आपके पास ये है। अब आपने इसको सेट कर दिया PTR के इक्वल, तो इसका मतलब है कि आपने इसको इसके साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया। ठीक है, क्योंकि PTR क्या है आपके पास 500 है। एंड नेक्स्ट आपका जो स्टेप होना चाहिए, इस नोड का इसके साथ लिंक हो। तो Q इज करंटली पॉइंटिंग टू दिस नोड, तो लिंक ऑफ Q इज इक्वल टू न्यू। Now new is pointing to this node, suppose it is in a memory with the address 400। तो अब आपने Q के लिंक में, तो Q का लिंक आपके पास ये है। ठीक है, इसमें आपने न्यू असाइन कर दिया, तो न्यू आपका 400 है, तो ये और ये कनेक्शन बन जाएगा। तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास ये जो कनेक्शन है ये क्या हो गया, ये ब्रेक हो गया। ठीक है, तो नोड जो है वो आपके स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन पे इंसर्ट हो गया है। और यहाँ पे आप स्टेप 6 एग्जिट कर लें। ओके, नाउ ये तो स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन पे इंसर्शन है। ठीक है, लेकिन स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन पे इंसर्शन के लिए आपको पहले उस स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन तक पहुँचना होगा। पहुंचने के लिए आपने कोई कंडीशन या कोई क्राइटेरिया लिया होगा। जैसे अभी इस एल्गोरिथम में हमने लिए कि वी वर कंपेयरिंग द इन्फो ऑफ न्यू विद द इन्फो ऑफ PTR ईच टाइम। ओके, सो यू विल हैव अ सर्टन criteria to reach your specified location. Once you reach to your specific location, then you will make a connection by using the link field and the pointers field. I hope you will have understand it. Now you should implement it in a C++. In my previous lecture I have told you about some pointers, so you must implement this. Okay, and if you are having any question you can ask me then. Okay, thank you.